Just put something?
I think maybe
Azai is here. Alita's here. Renash is here. And Mom's is here.
you guys got space? Like 10.
10 is crazy. 10 is crazy, Alita.
10 is crazy, yeah.
Cutie. We must look like crazy Americans, mommy, in this freaking coat. Oh my gosh. We're going to the supermarket. It's been a little bit of a walk, a little 10-minute walk. Nothing crazy. Barbados is beautiful. We're going out tonight to Oistins, to Lime and Vibe and the church, and then that one is the fire station. Methodist Church, Hawthorne Memorial. That's nice. You just wanted to be held? Yeah? My mom looks like she's ready to go home. But we're at, I don't know the name. Very strict menu. I got a regular whiskey sour. Renash got a strawberry marg. Alita got a strawberry marg. Mommy got a Coralita. Auntie Nori, say hi. Cheers. He gave you two? Oh, we chugging. Oh. Okay. Woo! Chug. Woo! Everybody is hurt and live, and then there's food all around us. Food and drinks all around us.
Come early, man.
Once again.
Of course.
Oh, yeah, schoolboy, you all taking pictures.
Good? Alright. Yes, please.
Of course. All right.
Hello, this sun hot. Hold right there. No, go back. Good.
Anything for you guys.
Right, hold on. You enjoying yourself? Thank you. Oh, how beautiful. Feel like your body. When I came here, I decided to try it. Right. Cheers. More life, more love, more sex.
Big step going like this here. Big step. Big step.
Come on, snorkel. All the types of fish we want to see.
Yeah, man. Really? Put your hand down, hold it.
3, 2, 1, since they got that, let's go bring it right back. Let's go.
God got you. God got you.
Body with body things. Yeah.
You did it!
Done. I don't know about how to put
Big swimmer.
What is this? You ready? You got him? Pull his hand and put him down a little bit. Pull in his hand. Like so?
Good job.
People got out.
I get it. I get it.
You did?
Yeah.
But I didn't even realize I got put out before. You were cutting, you never going. Again. That was so cool.
Yeah. Put it one more time. Put it one more time. Watch the big swimmer.
Ready? Yeah.
Yay!
He like this.
Go, Kimmy, go! Yeah, we see you, girl. Good job. Good job for you.
I want to ride it, but I don't know it's who bike.
Here's the bike.
You want to ride off for that?
Yes.
That's my bike.
Oh.
Is you bike?
Yeah.
I want to ride it.
But you can't wait for the sign here.
I know.
Watch out.
You want to ride the bike?
Yeah.
Jewels.
Who had it?
Yeah, the guy. He put it up for you.
Yeah, I don't remember.
Yeah, big boy.
So I go to the girl here.
Yeah, tell them.
Yeah, just tell
Tell the girl. What's the time now? Yeah, watch out, watch out, watch out. You are good, Robbie. Look at her. You see her? Hi. Say thank you.
Give me a pound, give me a pound.
Yeah, thank you. The beach is back there, and then back here there's a bunch of food. Mommy, why do they have vegan?
I want the salmon.
You want salmon again? You ain't eating enough?
I like fish mackerel. I'm going over to the top.
Okay. I forgot to record tonight. Tonight's festivities. But we're having dinner on the beach. As I had chicken tenders and fries, and Asha had jerk chicken Alfredo. Chicken al fettuccine. I had pasta, not pasta, pizza. Mommy didn't have nothing. Alita got a burger. The soup that's salty. Alita got a burger and fries. Half the burger gone, so it must be good.
Baby sit. He's a baby except he's a big man.
I put you in the picture.
And smiling too.
All the way to your right. Yeah. Come on, take the picture as I move. And let me get.
Hello guys, my daughter Tanasha, she's driving in Barbados. That's lovely of her.
Mommy, the thing you're pointing at me, or you turn it to the road?
A little bit, yeah. You hear I was ordered to do that?
That's true. Thank you.
I was ordered to do that, so
I like this yellow.
I'm obeying orders to command wages.
Bye, house.
Yes, guys, she's enjoying our driving. Lovely, and we're viewing Barbados, the sunny island. We enjoy the flying fishes. We enjoy the turtles. We were there snorkeling, and it was gorgeous. Oh, wonderful, wonderful.
I love it.
So, Mr. and Mr. Your girl is doing wonderful. She's doing wonderful. We're turning on to the Coffee Sobers roundabout, and we're going to the airport. We're coming back to America, guys, to welcome you. So just continue to love us.
I love it.
And give us all the money so we can tour the joy.
Tell them send the money, send the funds.
I like joking this. Tanasha, this camera look like them little mini robot.
I'm gonna start walking, I promise.
Enjoying all the green scenery. It's wonderful. The site is gorgeous. Yeah. Alright guys, this is just a preview of your girl, Tanasha, driving in Barbados. So don't be scared. She gotta learn and continue to get better and better and better and better. So guys, bye. Ciao. Adios. Goodbye. Love you.
I would turn it off. At least turn it off, please.
They still ready? Just a little young lady.
Alright. I don't even got enough space there.
That's space.
We are leaving. It's a sad day. I going home with some chefette and a Bayesian accent.